Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix the PlayStation 5 when it can't download or copy anything. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So the error code for this will be C10005-6. And the first thing we want to go ahead and do is press the PlayStation button, then go on over to Power, and then go to Turn Off PlayStation 5 and let this be completely turned off for at least 1 to 2 minutes. And it says close all games and applications. Don't put this into rest mode, completely turn it off. Now when it turns back on, press the PlayStation button once again and then go on over to where it says download and upload. And make sure you don't have any errors in here for downloads. So you can see I have an error code for Destiny 2 and Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order. So I'm going to select this and it says I can't install because I don't have enough space. So let's go ahead and cancel and delete this download from here. So it's not downloading and I don't have anything in my queue now. Now what I want to go ahead and do is go back up to storage. And then I want to go ahead and make some space. So let's go to my console storage. This is where I don't have enough space. And let's go to games and apps and then delete a game. So let's delete Rayman Legends by pressing X on it and then going to select items to delete. So let's choose Rayman Legends and go to delete and go to OK. Now make sure you have enough console storage space before downloading the game and it should download. So I'm going to go over to my game library here now. And then you can see installed on the top. Go over to your collection and then find the game you want to go ahead and download. So let's just choose this game and then go to the PlayStation 5 version and go to download and it should download now. So make sure you clear out of your download section and then delete the game from the storage and then you should be able to re-download it and you shouldn't have any copy errors or any kind of like installation errors. Now what we want to do is to put our PlayStation 5 into the safe mode menu. Now to do this, we have to completely turn off our PlayStation 5. So go ahead and locate the power button and then hold that down for about 5 to 10 seconds. And you will hear one beep initially and then you'll hear another beep. And this will completely power off the PlayStation 5. Now when the PlayStation 5 is completely 100% turned off, we won't see a light flashing on it. We want to repeat the same process by holding down the power button. And then you will hear one beep initially, and then you will hear a second beep, and this will launch it into the safe mode menu. And we will need a cord to launch into the safe mode menu. So go ahead and directly connect your controller to the front of the PlayStation 5 so we can actually operate the safe mode menu. Otherwise, you won't be able to use it in the wireless mode. So once we do have it launched in the safe mode menu, simply press the PlayStation button and it should launch and work and we should be able to operate the menu now. Now this is what the safe mode menu looks like. We want to go down to option number 5, clear cache and rebuild database. And go ahead and select this. And you'll see option number 1, clear system software cache. Go down to option number 2, rebuild database. Now if you go ahead and read what it says it may take a few hours to go ahead and rebuild the database. Now, in my experience, this will only take a few minutes and not a few hours. So simply go to OK and your PlayStation 5 will restart and it'll give you an estimated amount of time of how long it will take to rebuild the database. So if you are having kind of like errors with your solid state drive, this should go ahead and fix it. Now, there's one more thing you want to go ahead and be aware about is if you are having problems with a disk, you want to make sure there is no fingerprints or smudges on those. So thoroughly clean your game disk with like a dish rag towel or maybe even a microfiber cleaning cloth that came with your glasses and just make sure there's no smudges or fingerprints. This could be causing your issue where you can't download or copy like game data over to your PlayStation 5. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.